Can we just call this year Apple customization year already? Because Apple is going all out with their customization features in 2024. Because the iOS 18 seems to be even more packed than we thought. These are some features that are to be rolled out with the iOS 18. RCS messaging support. If you're that person that always uses iMessages and you have been testing your friend on Android, you should have already noticed that sending images are really garbage from the iMessage to your Android. RCS messaging support is basically just there to help. The game mode is coming to your iPhone where you'll be able to stop any distractions when you are gaming, and it also allows you to tap into the best refresh rate during your gaming, so you can be fully immersed in your gaming experience. How cool is that? The gallery has never been disorganized, because the gallery has now been so ordered so that I won't take 5 minutes of my time looking for the pictures that I took a few days back, all thanks to the newest iOS 18. If you have been watching my page, I talk about the home screen revamp. Yes, Apple is going to roll that out with the iOS 18, but they added something more interesting. You can now choose between the light mode or the dark mode for your icons on your home screen, and you can do a little bit more than that by tilting the colors of your icon, making it custom colors. iMessages are not also left out, because text effects are going to be introduced, and text effects basically bring your text to life. When you're sending messages to your friend and you want to express yourself a bit more than just boring old messages, you can just send some bubbling messages to that your friend. Until now, you know that you can only find your camera app or your touch on your lock screen, but Apple announced at the WWDC that now you can customize it to any app or any feature that you want to, be it Snapchat, Note app, or anything. Now in the control center, you'll be able to add many other stuff like icons from apps you want to keep updated with every single time. And now you can even resize those icons on your control center. You can now lock and hide apps. Now if you don't want Kojo to get into your app anyhow, you can just lock it and prevent them from entering that app. Probably locking it isn't enough for you, but you want to hide it totally from the visibility of strangers that are using your phone. You can also do that by placing it in the hidden folder for apps that Apple has just created. Now in the iMessages, you will not be only restricted to reacting with the default emojis you used to. You'll be given a pool of emojis that you can react with. So this new feature is so cool that I need to just mention it over here. That is the calculator feature. You might be thinking, calculator feature, is that so important? Yes, it is. Other than making a calculator app, they've added something so cool that you won't go by without talking about, because you can just basically hold your Apple Pencil on your iPad and just calculate math without using the old boring calculator buttons and trying to figure things out. And I thought that was normal until I saw this mathematical expression being solved on the iPad OS. Apple just showed that they are not usually the pioneers to something, but when they take that stuff, they take it to a whole new level, and the others have to just basically fight to get to that level. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, follow, and share. I'm Zenon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.